Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode manually in your TCL MoveAudio S180. Okay, so first of all, let's open the Bluetooth settings on our device. Next, open this charging case and take both earbuds from this case. In the most cases, when we take them off, they will appear in the pairing mode, just like that, as you can see. But if you have any problem, I can show you how you can make it manually. So let's put them back to the case. And right now, when we take them, we have to tap 3 times here, 1, 2, and 3, and this third time we have to hold for 2 seconds. And after that, there's right earbud will turns to the blue. This indicator will start blinking, so you have to make it like that. 1, 2, third, hold for the 2 seconds and then release, and this indicator will simply start blinking. So when you click on them on the list, when they will pop, you will be connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.